pera-paraan. Just use whatever resources you have. This is one thing na I can promise you. At the end of this live video, you will have something na pwede nyong pagkakitaan. Just right dyan sa mga phone nyo. It means, hindi nyo kailangan ng laptop, or even, hindi nyo kailangan ng muka. It's called faceless. So, pwede nyo gawin to kahit wala kayong muka. You just need to have GCash. Even children can do this. Ginagawa to before, pinasa ko to before sa anak ko. The thing is, kaya niya gawin to. Alright? This is called Project Pera-Paraan. Isa to sa mga bagay na pinagkakakitaan ko at pwede nyo pagkakakitaan. Ginawa ko na to like multiple times, and the reason na ginawa ko to, I'm sure alam niyo naman na marami nag-open up sa akin ng mga problema nila about relationship. And isa to sa nag-inspire sa akin. Hindi ito recently, I think it's like few months ago na. Medyo a while na siya. Pero that time, hindi ko pa naiisip na ito yung posibleng solusyon. And then from that moment, nag-start na ako magtanong sa inyo. If you notice, may mga survey ako ginagawa ko. Mahalaga ba yung pera? And noon pa, may mga tinanong ako kung halimbawa, kapipiliin ka if you can move on with 100 million on hand, kaya ba mag-move on in 3 days? And the answer is overwhelming. And you know from the response na there is something that is holding them back. May mga taong nahihirapan mag-let go, mag-move on. It's because of this. And naalala ko to yung story nung ni ate, nung babae. Lumapit siya sa akin, inausap niya ako. And ang kwento niya, meron siyang instinct woman's instinct na alam niyang may ginagawang kalokohan yung asawa niya. And bago niya mahuli yung asawa niya, sabi niya sa sarili niya na kapag nahuli ko tong asawa ko, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawa ko. Maghiwalay kami, ganyan-ganyan. Na, alam mo yun, siyempre galit ka Hindi ka na makakapatawad. And then, yung kinala niya, kasi umaalis yung asawa niya nun So parang, ang dating is uuwi, tapos 1 week, aalis na naman, tapos, kasi yung trabaho niya is somewhere na hindi magkalapitan. Hanggang sa dumating yung time na sinundan niya yung asawa niya. And, siyempre, galit na galit ka, emotional ka dun sa, talagang handa ka lang parang tapusin ng lahat Sinundan niya yung asawa niya, hanggang sa nakita niya yun na pumasok ng, hindi na trabaho, may isang bahay. And lumabas dun yung babae. So, nalaman niya, kinumpronta niya, nalaman niya na yung asawa niya pala yung nagbabayad nung apartment ng babae. So, parang ibinahay na nung asawa niya. At that point, hindi naman niya nagawa yung gusto niya. Na hiwalayan, na bitawan na, you know why? And I believe marami sa inyo makaka-relate dito, especially dun sa mga nahihirapang mag-let go. Yeah, dahil sa mga anak natin, sa mga gusto ko buo yung pamilya. But in reality is, hindi niya nagawa yung ganon, natanggap niya na lang. Actually, nagalit pa sa kanya yung lalaki. It's because, ano yung mga anak niya? Paano siya magpo-provide? Paano yung pinag-aaral niya? For years, hindi naman siya nagtatrabaho Nakadepende siya dun sa husband niya. So, kaya naisip ko yun, until dumating yung point na to, I mean, hindi naman lahat ng bagay nakikita mo na foreseen, napoforeseen mo na at planado na. Ang nangyari is, parang unti-unti ko na-realize kung ano talaga yung bagay na posibleng nag-hold on sa iba. It's because of the dependency na na-build up, especially pagka housewife na hindi siya makadiskarte ng sarili niya. Dun sila natatakot. That's why I made it, para dun sa mga taong yun. And of course, yung ibang story ng mga estudyante, I think nababasa nyo naman yun, yung mga working student na pinipilit nila makatapos, tapos yung parents nila, usually, yung parents nila, napapabayaan lang din sila. So, yun yung mga naging inspirasyon ko. Ito, para kasing hobby lang to. Parang fun lang sa akin, but it makes me money. And I'm sure it will make you money as well. Pero, ang point is, hindi ito yung basta lamang na, ito na siya You have to develop yung perspective natin. Like, when you see something like parang problema, it's actually an opportunity for you. And yun yung pag-uusapan natin dito. Kung paano ako nag-spot ng opportunity. Alright? Kaya, naisip kong gawin to para sa inyo, para magkaroon kayo ng idea on how to make money kahit wala kayong kapital. Right? Paano kumita ng extra pera nang wala kang nilalabas na pera? And of course, there will be people who will say this is impossible, hindi totoo yan, walang ganyan. I've seen that. Yes, wala talagang ganyan until I show you this one. Perfect example. Kung naka-follow kayo sa page na to for the last 2-3 months, I'm sure nakita nyo narinig nyo yung term na bisikleta. Alright? Ito yan, si ate. Sino dito yung nakakaalala ng term na bisikleta? Yung pinost ko, I think this gathers like, bago ko pa pinost yung reels na to, naalala nyo ba yung bisikleta? So, sabi dito, sign of opportunity yon. You know why it's a sign of opportunity? It's because meron siyang needs So, kung matatandaan nyo, bisikleta had been na parang, ano ba yan, Lods? How? Parang ang dating is, even me, I don't know that. Meron lang akong tinanong, what's that? Parang ganito. And it's the term. It's just the term, Filipino term, pero meron siyang English term. So, ito yung nakita kong opportunity to actually show this. Nangyari to sa harap yung lahat, guys. Nakita nyo to, and I believe I have nothing here. Nakita ko lang yung opportunity na to, which you can be seen as well. Depende na kung paano nyo tinitignan yung mga bawat nangyayari sa buhay nyo. The problem is an opportunity. So, nakita ko to. This is a sign of opportunity. Why? Because merong gusto yung tao. People are asking questions. Ano yan? Ganito, ganyan. And then you will read yung mga thread, pabulong, whatever, ganyan. So, they want something. Now, example dito is yung mga nagbablog ng mga foods, yung mga ganon. Minsan, kakain lang sila, tapos ikukwento nila, tapos ikaw ngayon habang nanonood ka, parang nalalasahan mo na yung pagkain. Parang gusto ko yun Now you realize that that is actually a target market para dun sa bagay na ipopromote mo or whatever na pagkain. I mean, like for example, kumakain ka ng burger and then natatakam na yung mga tao habang kumakain yung burger. That's actually, they want burgers, right? So, you just give them something that they want. They want burgers. And later on, mag-make sense to as we move along. So, if you have any questions, let me know. Pero, reserve that. Kasi, pagkatapos nito, mag-make sense yung mga sinasabi ko sa inyo on how you spot yung opportunity. So, this is like para tayong magtatropa lang, para tayong, hindi siya yung normal na presentation. I don't like reporting sa schools na nag-aaral ako. Yung mga visual aids, ganyan. So, it's like, parang nasa, ano lang tayo, alam mo yun, parang nasa isang outing, ganyan. Tapos, nagkataon lang na meron tayong pinapanood. Now, nung nakita ko yung opportunity na yan, that there are people wanting to want yung bisikleta, actually, it's a sex position. Exposition na parang secret ni ate to satisfy her husband. So, nakita ko yung opportunity. Hindi ko naman, okay, parang dinedma ko lang siya nung una. But, okay, seems that there are people who are interested in this. So, that's a sign of opportunity for me. So, what did I do? Step 1, that is your target market. Merong needs eh. Merong gusto yung tao eh. Right? Is this making sense? Merong gusto yung tao, pero hindi nila makuha. So, what are you going to do? As someone na naghahanap ng pagkakaperaan, ng pagkakaraketan, di ba? Ng pagkakakitaan dito online. So, ang gagawin mo is, hahanapin mo yung gusto nila. And look at this, 126 sex positions. Imagine naman, nagla-live tayo, ganyan yung papakita ko, no? Ngayon, ang step 1 mo is hahanapin mo yung gusto nila. Well, sky's the limit. There's online. You can search all of this online. Is this making sense sa inyo guys? Na meron lang silang gustong mahanap eh. Meron silang gustong makita. Meron silang needs for you to fulfill as something na parang you can consider yourself like the way you see it is like yung meron tayong mga bata tayo, parang tayo meron tayong mga entrepreneurial drive. We want freedom. That's actually how I define entrepreneur. Right? Gusto natin yung walang kumokontrol sa atin. Gusto natin yung walang boss except me. Sa mga lalaki dyan, okay? Yes, if you want to, yung gusto yung mga CEO, boss, gusto natin walang boss eh, right? But if you're married man, there's always a boss. Yung mga asawa nyo, they are the boss. So, hindi talaga siya yung talagang walang boss, alright? So, meron ka pa ring boss, and that is your wife. Unless you want to fight with your wife and make yung utak mo na magulo. Alam mo yung uwi ka, siyempre lalaban niya, kapalagyan, di ba? But that is the opportunity for you. So, ang gawin mo, hanapin mo yung gusto nila. So, what I did is I go look for this exposition. Of course, inalam ko kung ano talaga yung term na bisikleta. And then, pagsasama-samahin mo siya sa iisang lugar. Anong ginawa ko dito? Kinumpine ko lang. Actually, ito lang naman talaga yung gusto nila. But, nakalagay dito, magdagdag ka ng extra para masaya. Why? Of course, you can get this online for free. So, ano ba naman yung magdagdag ka ng konting freebies? So, actually, alam mo yun, yung parang pag bumibili tayo, di ba, gusto natin yung may mga freebies tayo na somehow related dun sa product, sa gusto nila. Like, parang pag bumili tayo ng mga, bumili tayo ng sasakyan, di ba, may mga free dashboard, may free leather seat, may mga freebies, di ba, to attract yung customer. Kasi, the thing is, I'm sure hindi lang naman ikaw ang posibleng pagkakawaan nila niyan. And later on, makikita niyo yun. So, ang gagawin mo is, why would they buy from you? It's because you have something, an offer, na parang, ay, mas marami dito. May previous dito, right? And of course, they know you. Pwede mo namang dagdagan ng extra, di ba? Para instead na kukuha sila sa iba, sa'yo sila kukuha. Nagigets nyo ba so far, guys? Baka may magtanong kung gaano katagal. I don't know. I just prepared some slides na alam kong kailangan nyo maintindihan, mas malaman, para ma-implement nyo to sa inyo. Yes, hindi nyo kailangan ng pera dito. And that is something that I can guarantee na pwede nyo simulan to ng kahit wala kayo ngayon. You just have your phone. And I will show you that. Okay? So, that's the step 1. Nakakita ka ng opportunity. Meron silang gusto. Sometimes yung opportunity is a problem that needs to be solved. So, this time, ang nakita ko lang is they want something. So, hinanap ko yung gusto nila, and then I compile it, pinagsama-sama ko sa isang what? Google Drive. My friends, it's Google Drive. Alright? Then, nagdagdag ako ng mga extra. Now, the step 2 is, ito na yung pinaka medyo interesante. Okay. Alam mo na yung gusto nila, right? Okay, meron ka ng product. Then, how are they gonna pay for it? Diba? Paano ka ngayon kukubra ng pera? Like, reality is, if you want money, you have to get it from someone else. Someone else pocket money. Pero pag kinuha mo yun ng wala kang kapalit, o kaya hindi valuable sa kanila, you'll be a scam. Right? Ngayon, you want money, and they want something. So, you give them something in exchange of that. Ngayon, dito mo na ngayon set up yung payment at fulfillment. Alright? So, babalik tayo dito sa payment. So, ngayon, meron ka ng product, right? Kanina, meron ka ng product. Ngayon, kailangan mo ng payment at fulfillment. So, pag bayad nila, kailangan maibigay mo sa kanila yung pinayaran nila, of course. Ayaw mo naman siguro matawag na scam, di ba? Actually, I made this mistake and mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo yung nangyaring mistake sa akin para hindi kayo matawag na scam. I don't know, I think nasabi niya sa akin yun is because I have some issue nung ginawa ko to and I didn't do that. Pero nasettle naman. Payment, ito yung payment dun sa mga nakakuha ng 69ers. Dumaan kayo sa proseso na to, right? So, ito yung payment process mo. Ang payment ng mangyayari is maglalagay sila dito ng email address, tapos i-upload nila yung proof of payment, which is GCash. GCash lang naman yung proof of payment na ginamit ko, although pwede naman yung iba, pwedeng remittance, pwedeng PPI, whatever. But usually GCash. Ngayon, after nilang gawin to, after nila magbayad dito, meron ka ngayong marireceive sa email mo as a notification na, okay, for example, Lodi Cake bought this and then naka-attach dun sa email na yon is yung proof of payment. And that is actually your money. Pwede mong i-verify yon sa GCash mo na pumasok na yung pera. And then, on the other hand, sa kabilang banda, sabay yan. Pagka-send ng notification sa'yo, automatic, magsisend din ng separate email dun sa buyer. Kasi di ba kukunin mo yung email nila dito, right? Ito yung way for you para maibigay sa kanila yung in-order nilang digital products, right? We call it digital products. So, makaka-receive si buyer ng email with the link dito kay Google Drive. Is this making sense, guys? Napipick up nyo ba yung pinaka-scenario niya? Na pag nag-key in ako ng email ko, automatic, mag-notify sa'yo na may pumasok na email, may pumasok na bayad. Tapos, makaka-receive ako ng email with the link dun sa binili ko. Let me know, guys, kung meron kayong tanong, babasahin ko, paano yun gagawin? O paano yun gagawin? Later, I will show you. Bro, nakalink sa Gmail yung payment, then after that, bro, sa Google Drive, ano nangyari? Alright, okay. Ito yung actual. Ayan yung form. Kung natatandaan nyo, 69 pesos. Yes, it's just a treat. Parang fun lang siya. So, ako yung nag-set ng price. Diba, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kayo mag-set ng price, 100% profit sa inyo. Depende sa inyo kung paano nyo pa-promote. Alright? So, nakalagay dito is, of course, yung GCash number ko. Wala nang iba. GCash lang para masaya. Kasi pagka may iba pa, may mga payment terms pa yung iba-iba. Actually, nag-message naman sila. So, type your name, type your last name, email, tapos dito nila i-upload yung payment, yung screenshot ng GCash. Ngayon, pag sinubmit nila yan, ang mangyayari is makaka-receive ka ng ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Okay? Kasi nandito yan sa email na yan eh. Dalawang klase ng email yan, di ba? Gaya nga nung sabi ko, dalawang email yung matatanggap mo. Since ito yung testing ko, pinag-testing ko, ang natanggap ko is, yo, loads, this is it, pansit. Automated to, guys, ha? Automated to. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-submit sila, pagka sinubmit nila to, ito yung marireceive ko. We have received your response, 69 pesos only. With the link. Meron ka marireceive na email. We have received your response. Ibig sabihin, ako yung nagbebenta, kayo yung nagbebenta, makaka-receive ka ng ganitong notifications. Which is, makikita mo yung email address ng customer mo, plus yung uploaded niya na proof of payment. Make sense? Ito yung unang email na marireceive. Nakukuha nyo ba, guys? Ito yung marireceive niya. This is automated. Ang maganda dito is automated. Hindi mo na kailangan bantayan, alright? The only thing na magiging issue nyo lang dito is because we're using it free. Merong limit. But there's a workaround from that. Ngayon, ito yung marireceive mo. Sa kabila naman, sa customer, ito naman yung marireceive niya. Click me to download. Yo, Lods, this is it, pansit. Lahat ng yan, editable. Ibig sabihin, nakukuha nyo ba, guys? Pero ganito yung marireceive ng customer. Yung sa mga nagkaroon ng 69ers, ganito yung na-receive nyo. Alright? So, pag click nyo itong download na to, itong click to download na to, diretso yan sa Google Drive. Nakukuha nyo ba? Ibig sabihin, pag click nila to, pupunta yan dun ngayon sa Google Drive where they can access yung mga PDF files. Ito, maka-access nila to, tapos mada-download nila. Make sense? Nakukuha nyo ba, guys? Dun ko kinumpile eh. Ngayon, ito na yung ating step 3. So, nakuha nyo na dito from the payment fulfillment, meron ka marireceive with the parang notification mo na may nagbayad by humiling customer. And then, on the other hand, separate email, makaka-receive si customer ng link papunta dun sa Google Drive. Alright? Copy Make sense Now, itong link na to is actually, dito na yung pera. Itong notifications mo. Kasi, kapakita nila sa'yo yung proof of payment, tapos syempre, double check mo sa GCash mo kung pumasok na, whatever, pero hindi mo naman kailangan double check yun. Papasok lang yan. Okay? So, kasi meron silang proof of payment. Alright? Now, pag meron ka ng setup, pag na-setup mo na itong payment and fulfillment mo, that is the time na ipopromote mo na yung prepare mo. Alright? So, ang gagawin mo is to make a post. This is the step 3. Mag-post ka, promoting it with the link papuntang step 2. Okay? So, after mo mag-post, so, ngayon, pag click nila yung link na to, papasok sila dito sa payment process mo. So, ganito magiging result niya. Ito yung mga bawat submission date. This is automated. So, ganito yung itsura niya dun sa Jotform mismo Ito yung submission date, ito yung email, ito yung name, ito yung email, tapos ito yung mga proof of payment nila na in-upload. All running on automation. So, hindi mo na kailangan bantayan. The only thing na magiging hurdle nyo dito is, of course, you're using free account ng Jotform. So, may limit siya. 100 submission lang siya in a month. So, either you use another email or you avail yung account ng Jotform. But, your goal is hindi kayo gagastos ng pera, kikita mo na kayo ng pera. I've done this multiple times and yun yung pinaka-goal nyo is, di ba? Kasi sabi yung point natin is, paano ka kikitaan ng pera nung wala kang pera? So we are using free software. Jetform may free software siya. Meron siyang free function. So you can log in, sign up. It's free. It's free. Tapos, ina-navigate nyo na lang yung mismo software. Alright? Ngayon, Peyo Lods. Konti lang followers ko. Mahihain din ako, kaya ayoko makita ako ng tao. Gaya nga ng sabi ko. I mean, syempre, mapapaisip kayo. Kasi Lods, marami kang followers eh. Saka, kilala ka na ng tao, kaya nagawa mo yan. Kaya ganyan-ganyan, whatever. Tapos, nag-vlog ka. May isip nyo naman yun kasi, may isip nyo yun. Kasi ganyan din ako mag-isip noon eh. Nagagawa mo yan kasi ganyan ka. Paano Lods, pagka wala pa akong followers, tapos mahihain ako, wala akong mukha. Yes, naisip ko yun. That's why, I prepare something. Peyo Lods, konti lang followers ko, mahihain ako, wala akong mukha. Ayoko makita ako ng tao. That's why, this one. Yes, this is my page. Look, Pops Passion. Sa term pa lang, sino dito nagmumotor? May ako magmotor. Riders ako eh. Pero makikita nyo dito is, meron lang tong 199 followers. 199, I don't know them. At wala din akong mukha. It's faceless. Hindi nila ako kilala, but I'm selling ebooks about motorcycle because I saw a need there. Make sense, guys? Yung mga nagbumotor, kasi minsan yung needs, sarili nating needs hindi lang ikaw yung may ganong needs. Mapapansin niya sa mga story, right? Yung problema mo, hindi lang ikaw yung may ganong problema. Ibig sabihin, kung meron kang sarili mong problema, there is someone out there na meron din ganong problema. Kung meron kang gusto, there is someone out there na gusto rin yung gusto mo na yun. So, I love reading about motorcycles. Mahilig ako magbutingting ng motorcycles. I love manuals. I love yung mga tricks, yung mga ganun. So, I build it. And I sell it for 199 pesos. Again, ebooks, same process, nilagay ko sa Drive, I collect it online for free, I compile it. The only thing here na ginawa ko to, kaya hindi ko siya tinuloy, is, if you notice, this is like 2022 pa to. Ngayon, I make good money here. And makikita nyo to, anak ko minsan yung nag-reply dito kasi pinapa-reply ko sa anak ko. The only thing na naging pinaka-hardel ko dito is, it's manual. Again, time and effort, right? Yung effort mong magsasagot, yung effort mong ibenta. I mean, siyempre, magtatanong sila sa'yo, ano yung mga ganyan-ganyan, ano yung ganito, tapos magkano. Those things, I do it manually. It's very tedious. Parang wala na akong buhay. Imagine mo, kasi 24 hours eh. 24/7 eh. So, mag-reply ka, pak. Tapos wala ko. Tapos may gagawin ka, biglang tutunog, may mag-reply ka na naman. Tapos ganyan-ganyan. Alam mo yun yung, but it's sale. It's something from nothing. It means I get the book for free and then I sell it for 199 and I make good money here. And minsan pinapasagot ko na lang sa anak ko yung mga query. Is this making sense, guys? Na wala akong muka, wala din akong followers. But of course, I have to do it in a different way unlike yung ginawa ko kanina sa 69. Alright? Now, another example is this, e-learning hub. The same thing, I sell this for 297. Ano bang sabi ko kanina? Anong sabi ko dun sa video? You control the price. 100% profit sa'yo. Ikaw magdi-decide whether 69, whether 297, whether 199, whether 497. Depende na yan sa'yo kung paano mo i-increase yung value ng isang bagay with the right person. Kasi for people who are in business, these are gold. But try mong ibenta to dun sa mga tambay na hindi nagbabasa ng libro. It's useless. Kahit ibenta mo pa siguro ng 5 piso, hindi nila bibili yun. Why? Because they don't read books, right? But for people na nagbabasa ng mga libro about leadership, about finance, about business, this is gold. Hindi na kailangan hanapin. Oh my God, magkano ang isang libro? Physical book. Times 1,000, sometimes 2,000, sometimes 300. Depende kung saan bibili yung libro. The physical book. But if you have all this, digital nga lang sa phone, you can read it online. The convenience is there. You're not selling the book. You're selling the convenience of you collecting this book. Ngayon, kasi minsan mapaisip tayo, wow, Lods, my God, you get this for free and then you're selling it. You're a scam. Naisip niyo ba yun? But of course, there are people who will tell you this is scam. Why? Because you can get this online for free. Anyone can get this, even kids, even kahit grade 2. Diba? Kaya nyo mag-search online, tapos mag-download ng book, maglagay sa Google Drive. Kaya nyo yun, right? Kaya nyo ba? Kaya nyo ba mag-search online? Let me know kung kaya nyo mag-search ng online. Kasi kung hindi, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-search online. But I believe you're here. You know how to search online. Kaya nyo maghanap ng bagay online. So, I'm getting this for free. And then I'm selling it. Would you consider it a scam? Let me know. Yes or no? Is it a scam or not? What I'm selling here. Because this is like a mind shift for you guys. Kasi hindi kayo mawawalan ng basher. Hindi kayo mawawalan ng hater. Hindi kayo mawawalan ng mga taong medyo close-minded when it comes to this. Scam ba to o hindi? You get things for free and then you make money from it. Is it a scam or not? Basahin ko ba yung mga comments niyo, alright? No. Alright. Lods, hindi pa copyright infringement dyan. No. There's a reason why it's not. Okay. Actually, mayroong explanation dyan. Doon sasagutin ko lang kung hindi ba copyright. Robert Kiyosaki. Do you know how much yung mga author, kung magkano yung binabayad nila sa marketing just to promote their book? They spend hundreds of thousands, millions promoting the book. Nagbabayad pa sila ng mga influencer to promote that book. And here you are, you're giving it access. Sila nagbibigay niyan. They have it for free. Why? Kasi they know na pag nabasa mo yung libro nila, you would want it. It's like an extra attention. Okay, saan ba halimbawa, sa mga taong hindi niya naman kilala si Robert Kiyosaki, and then suddenly, okay, sino to Robert Kiyosaki? And then eventually, pumasok ka sa mundo ni Robert Kiyosaki. Then you start to follow Robert Kiyosaki. Then you start to read Robert Kiyosaki blog. You get attention. It's eyeballs. Ibig sabihin, by doing this, you're actually helping the author na mas marami pang makakilala sa kanya. It's promotion. Now, when I run this, hindi talaga mawawala tayo. Pagka ginawa nyo itong, when you execute yung ituro ko sa inyo, you make money of it. And hindi mawawala sa inyo to na this is scam kasi libre lang nakukuha yan. You're not selling it just a book. You're selling speed and convenience. Why? The same reason, meron bang nagpumipigil sa atin na pumunta ng dagat, mangisda, manghuli ng galunggong, iuwi, iprito at kainin? Walang pumipigil sa atin doon. It's free. Pwede tayong pumunta ng dagat, either magsasakyan tayo, maglakad, tapos maglumangoy tayo or mamangka tayo, tapos manghuli tayo ng sarili nating isda, tapos iuwi natin, tapos iprito natin. That is free, right? Pero bakit tayo bumibili ng isda sa market, sa wet market, sa palengke? Why? It's because of the speed and convenience na hindi na natin kailangan mangisda pa ng sarili natin. It's a cost to us. Imagine mo, babiyahe ka pa ng dagat, tapos kailangan pa ng bangka, makikisakay ka sa bangka, mag-i-effort ka pa, kailangan pa ng skills. Pwede mo naman bilhin yung galunggong na 190 ba? Magkano ba? 100, isang kilo? Just imagine that. You're paying not just the fish, you're paying the convenience of having the fish na malapit lang sa inyo, na kaya mo nang lutuin in a short period of time. That's what you are paying for, hindi yung basta na lang isda. Now, the price of the fish is, of course, the supply and demand. Diba? But it's not a scam. It's the same with this one. Kaya naman nilang kunin to online di ba? The question is, anyone can download this online. The question is, where to download? There's millions of websites. Anong title? Anong book? And of course, there's a cost of time. Make sense, guys? Na the reason I'm saying you this because I know there will be people na magsasabi sa inyo ng ganon pagka in-execute nyo yung business. And I want you to understand this. They just don't understand it. Most of the time, sinabi ko to sa anak ko before. And natutunan ko to sa mentor ko na sometimes it's better to keep quiet. Yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nila kayang maintindihan, they will laugh. Especially if you have big dreams, people will laugh at you. They will call you crazy. So, if hindi ka pa ganun ka-stable mentally, I would suggest you keep quiet. You keep it to yourself. Kasi, people are gonna bring you down. They will, ipapasa nila sa iyo yung mga doubt nila sa sarili nila. It's because, hindi mo magagawa yan. It's because, I don't do it. I don't try it. Actually, nag-quit na ako dyan. Kaya I know hindi mo magagawa yan. That's what they want. Malaking influensya ng imaginein mo, sa 10 nakasuporta sa'yo, isa lang dun yung maging negative sa'yo, mas paniniwala mo pa yung negative. Yung doubt niya, hindi mo kaya yan. And to make it worse, yung duda niya, inabsorb mo, and naniwala ka na hindi mo kaya. And then eventually, you pass out like, you quit. It's because yung influence ng negative, powerful, more than powerful kaysa sa influence ng positive. And that's the reality. Alright? Now, okay, I sell this for 297. Alright, di ba? Imagine, Robert Kiyosaki lang and John Maxwell, Leadership Book and Finance. And I sell this for 297. Alright, okay, I have some surprise for you there. Gusto niyo bang makakita ng actual na pera-paraan conversation of me and a customer? Like, anyway, ngayon alam mo na kung paano kumita online from zero. Pinakita ko sa iyo yung proseso kung paano pagkakakitaan yung kaalaman mo na yan na kahit grade 2 kaya yan. Ngayon, pwede mo na yung simulan. May tutorial sa YouTube, pwede mo i-google yan, pwede kang mag-trial and error at simulan mo ng pagkakitaan yan. Pero, kung gusto mong i-implemento ng maayos, mabilis, organisado at sistemado, meron akong i-offer sa'yo. Ngayon, kung allergic ka sa benta, hindi ka interesado, pwede mo nang i-skip to. Kasi pina-finalize ko pa lang tong Secret Racket course na to. Para tong escape plan mo, para hindi ka na tinatapak-tapakan ng kahit na sino. Kasi kaya mo nang kumita ng sariling pera mo. Ibig sabihin, kaya mong iwanan yung sitwasyon na hindi mo gusto. So ito yung step-by-step guide, tools, templates, at lahat ng kailangan mo para kumita from zero. Value, 3,499. Kasama na dyan yung master tools para ma-organize mo at ma-automate mo yung buong proseso. Tuturo ko sa iyo yung mga tech and how-tos na parang pang grade 2. Kahit wala kang alam sa tech, kayang-kaya mo to. Value 1,297. Sales script at buyer's template. Para naman confident ka kahit first time ka magbenta. Ang value 2,497 plus the real and raw sales conversation. Para may idea ka kung paano yung flow ng pagbebenta. Yung real and raw na case studies ko. Value 1,499. Sinama ko na rin yung Facebook ads training. Para naman matuto ka mag-attract ng buyers kahit tulog ka. Value 1,999. At higit sa lahat, yung treasure source. Dito mo pwedeng i-download yung 8 million plus na ebooks in different categories for free. Ibig sabihin, na-download mo ng libre, pagkakakitaan mo, unlimited time for life. Value 4,999. With a total combined value of 15,799. Pero, hindi naman kita charge ng ganyan. Dahil makukuha mo ang lahat ng yan sa halagang 1,499. Pero hindi lang yan. Let's sweeten the deal. Dahil since pina-finalize ko pa, first 50 customers ay makakakuha ng special bonus. An exclusive access sa 8 terabyte Digital Empire Vault. Ibig sabihin, 8,000 gigabyte worth of digital products. Meron dito mga premium video courses, mga paid courses from top influencers, brands, mastermind, coaches, and mga highly successful entrepreneurs. Meron din dito mga masterclass, audiobooks, ready-made templates, ready-made reels, at marami pang iba. Para naman may lifetime source ka ng digital products na pwede mong pag-aralan at pwedeng maging source mo ng income ideas. Kagaya na lang nito. Value is 20,000 pesos as a bonus. Now, let's do the recap. Ito lang naman ang makukuha mo. Secret Racket Course, full step-by-step guides, value 3,499. Master Tools, Tech and How-Tos, value 1,297. Sales scripts and buyer templates para hindi ka kakaba-kaba magbenta, value 2,497. Case studies para alam mo yung flow ng conversation sa customer mo, value 1,499. Facebook Ads Training para alam mo mag-scale, value 1,999. Treasure Source na may 8 million ebooks you can download for free, value 4,999. Plus the bonus na 8 terabyte Digital Empire Vault, value 20,000 pesos. Pero, first 50 customers only with a total combined value of 35,799 at lahat ng yan ay makukuha mo lang sa halagang 1,499 lang. Pero, dahil masarap yung kape ko kanina, hindi pa tayo natatapos dyan. Dahil for the first 50 customers na magtitiwala sa akin, you can get all of it, including the bonus, for half the price. Yes, you heard me right. Ibig sabihin, makukuha mo lahat ng yan, including the bonus, sa halagang 749 pesos na lang. Hanggang sa maubos yung 50 slot. Kaya hindi ito para sa lahat. Wala rin naman akong balak kumbinsihin ka. Kung komportable ka lang sa sitwasyon na meron ka, ituloy mo lang ang iyong ginagawa. Pero kung sawang-sawa ka na maghintay na irespeto ka, makita ang iyong halaga at maging malaya, hindi mo kailangan ng sales talk pa. Ang kailangan mo, isang sistema na gumagana. At ito na yon, nakita mo na. Kaya kung gusto mong makasama sa unang 50 ang sawang-sawa ng minamaliit sila at gusto nang magsimulang kontrolin ang mga buhay nila, ito lang ang gagawin mo. Make a decision. Pero wag mong tagalan. Alam mo naman, first 50 lang. So if you want to save your spot, click mo lang yung link sa baba.